Scouting, ginagawa namin to bago magsimula ang operation para masiguro namin na ligtas ang bawat guest bago maglanding. At ngayong umaga, may nasaksihan akong isang polar bear.
Zodiac? Yeah. So it's 3 o'clock from the Zodiac?
No, 3 o'clock from the ship.
From the ship, yeah. From the Zodiac, probably.
Siya, si Steve, isa sa expedition staff namin. Tinanong ko siya kung kailan at saan pwede gamitin ng rifle.
We hope we never use the rifle. We never ever want to shoot the rifle. But if we needed to, if a bear was in a lethal distance, we would use the gun. We have all kinds of things to do beforehand. We have flare pistols. If we see a bear far away, we'd leave the beach. But if all those things don't work, we do have a gun if we need to use it. But we all hope we never use it ever.
Hopefully not.
Yes, hopefully not.
Yeah, thank you, Steve.
You're welcome.
Nagsimula na sila mag-scouting. Ako naman standby dito sa beach para kung sakaling may makita silang polar bear, madali kami makatakas. Habang nag-i-scouting kami sa lugar na to, may nakita kami sa malayo na polar bear. Kaya pinag-iisipan pa kung pwedeng mag-land ang mga guests dito. Ginagawa kasi namin tong pag-i-scouting para ma-ensure namin na safe yung mga guests lumabas sa lugar na to.
We'll continue to plan the landing.
Perfect. Sounds good.
Buti na lang umalis yung polar bear. Sayang din naman kung hindi masaksihan ng mga guests yung lugar na to, di ba?